Okay, good morning, peeps. Today you guys are going to do quiz 1, review 1. If you're watching this, it's because I'm not here or you're not here. I don't feel good, so tomorrow you guys will do review 2, and then Thursday you guys will take your quiz. Okay, you can use these on your quiz. It goes in the same order as your quiz, so take good notes today, and then I'll have them graded and give them back to you before you take your test. Okay, so write each as an algebraic expression. Okay, so 6 more than r is going to be 6 plus r. 11 more than 6 is going to be 11 plus 6. Write each as a verbal expression. Okay, and if I'm going too fast, pause and copy down and then keep going. It's going to be 10 minus 8. Okay, verbal is how you would say it. Okay, that's the part that we need to write down, is how you would say it. Okay, you got 26 minus, I almost wrote the minus sign, minus 7. And I'm sorry because I really don't feel good. My brain is just not working. Okay, the next section on your test is going to be evaluate each expression. Somewhere on here, I would probably write your order of operations. Okay, so you do your parentheses first, and then your exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and then subtraction. Okay, so here we got some parentheses. So 6 minus 2 is 4 times 4, which is going to be 16. Okay, on your test, I require you to show every step. Okay, so just be aware of that. I give you points for per step. So you might get 2 points for this one and a point for this one. And so where you lie a problem is if you accidentally put 18 here, you get no partial points. So this one we got a lot of multiplication and division, and so you can do multiplication and division in a single line order. So 5 divided by 5 is 1 times 3 minus 1. Well, 1 times 3 is 3, minus 1 is going to give you 2. Okay, looking at 13, we got some parentheses here. So let's start with the first one. 1 plus 4 is going to give you 5. Okay, and at this step, you got 4 plus 5 is going to be 9 minus 4. Okay, so you're going to get 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay, and you can just think to yourself, well, what does it mean when they're right next to each other like that? Okay, that means multiply. So we got 25. Okay, flip it over. On the back page, evaluate each using the given variables. Okay, this is still the same, except for you need to plug your stuff in first. So we got a K, and we know that our K equals 6. H is 1 plus K, which is 6. Okay, and now you can just go through and do your order of operations. So 6 plus 1 is going to give you 7. And 6 times 7 is going to give you 42. Okay, 17, we got 5, my R is 1, plus my P is 3 squared. Okay, so we know we need to do inside the parentheses first, and then you need to do the exponents inside that first. So we got 5, and I'm sorry because I did not leave you guys very much room, but it is what it is. And we have 10, 5 times 10 is going to be 50. Okay, the next section on your test, the first ones are just going to be to combine like terms. Okay, the second set is going to be to distribute. And then the third set of questions, and I say set because this one goes with this one, is going to be distribute. And then combine. Okay, so If we look at this, you see they both have a last name of X, so I got negative 9 minus 10 is gonna be negative 19X, and this one's done. Okay, on just the distribute one, so I got 6 times 1 is gonna be 6, and from here to here, there is no ends, so that's just gonna be 6. 6 times negative 10 is gonna be negative 60, and from here to here, I have one end. Okay, and we can see that there's nothing to combine afterwards. I got one with an end, one without, and so that's why these ones are just to distribute. And then your last set on here is gonna be the hardest of the 3. Okay, you need to distribute and then combine. So I got 5 times 6 is gonna be 30, and I have 1V. 5 times negative 6 is gonna be negative 30. And then I still have this minus 6 on the outside. And then I got 30V minus 36. Give me just a second so I make sure that I do this right because I suck at it. Okay, so the last section on here, hopefully you have your sheet somewhere. If I have not given them back to you already, if I have, then find it because you're gonna need it for your test. Okay, so name the property that was used. So these are multiple choice, so if you don't know, at the very least, guess. So I got 10 plus 7 equals 7 plus x. So we know that the x has got to be 10 in order for that to make that true. Okay, what property is that? Okay, well, we know that it's, so you see how this says 10 plus 7 and then 7 plus 10. That's going to be commutative addition. So that's saying that we can flip-flop those two and you would still get the same thing. Okay, 5 plus x equals 5. Okay, what would x have to be in order for that to be true? Okay, well, x has got to be 0. Okay, so you should be able to look and see what that property is, and I'm going to go with additive identity. I feel like it's that one. I don't have my sheet, so I'm guessing. Okay, you guys got 14 to do. Make sure your name is on them. When you get done, put them in the box, and then hopefully I'm here Wednesday. If I'm not, Wednesday's sheet will look just like this one, and then on Thursday you guys will have your quiz. Okay. If you need me, hit me up on Remind. Okay, the links are on Canvas for you. And I will talk to you guys soon.